Primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Morning.
What's going on, Igna?
Not much. Didn't take many trades this week, man.
Didn't take any trades, you said?
I said I haven't taken many trades this week.
Yeah, you're still trying to bust that bubble, huh?
I was up pretty good on US 30 sells, like for a scalp. And I didn't take the profit because I wanted to hit TP, and then it bounced back up and it hit my stop loss that I had put in positive, you know.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't lose any money, but I made like $110 today. That's it.
Better than being down and waiting on it.
Yeah, but you know, this I'm kind of concerned getting back to 100K. I've got almost 5K, 5,500 left to get back. But I am 7,300 in total drawdown. So I don't know if there's enough room there. I need like a real runner, like a US 30 runner to go.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta be. I mean, US 30 has been on the up, and it might go up today too more. NFT news is in NFP news is in 42 minutes.
Yeah, I would really like it to come down first, so I have some structure to,
to get in on.
Yeah, because I hate getting
still below. It hasn't even come close.
I hate getting in on highs. I mean,
yep, that's why I don't trade anything that is on its all-time high, because it's very unpredictable.
Yeah, you could get one big candle down with bad news.
Exactly.
So there's not a whole lot of setups, and with pairs, you really don't have many setups. I mean, the one I play all the time, GU, is like one big doji.
Yeah.
On the weekly, I've got it going. Well, it was going down, but I don't know. It's just like ranging, and I don't like playing ranging stuff. So I'm hoping for some normalcy in the markets before next week. I mean, before the end of next week.
GU definitely has not done much at all.
No, it's just going back and forth.
Yeah, it's just ranging between, and it's not even like reaching the tops and bottoms. It's just in the middle.
Doing nothing. It's like today I played it for like a $40 scalp. That's it.
And you used to get like 2K.
Yeah. I used to get like a minimum of $500 trade on that a day.
Yeah.
You know, like on a good day, I would get a 1,000, 1,200. And then I would supplement that with a little bit of US 30 scalps, and I would be good. So the market's not being very cooperative. Even EJ hasn't been doing good. EJ. I was trying to find a trade last night on EJ before I went to bed.
Yeah.
But
The indicated gave one today, which was a pretty good one.
yeah, I don't watch too many pairs. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I only watch EJ, GU, EU, but I haven't been playing EU either because EU, I'm afraid that one day the bottom will fall out of it. My son played USD JPY. He goes, Dad, I made $300 today on USD JPY. Or no, yesterday.
So what is he? He's on a demo right now? Or is he doing a real account?
Demo. I've been trying to get him to learn, like to be interested in this for like 2 years now.
And he's finally showing some interest.
Yeah, because his friends are doing it.
I think it's because of crypto being so popular now. People are getting into these things a little more now.
Yeah, his friends are trading. So he's like, Dad, I want to try trading. My friends are doing it and they're making money. I said, okay. So I said, watch these videos. So, you know, learn about candlesticks and learn all that stuff first.
That's good.
And get it done. And I set up a demo account for him.
Well, he's probably not up this early, but you can invite him to Zoom one day.
Yeah, I need him to learn some basics first. Where's my son going? He just drives.
Yeah, pairs are kind of stalling right now, waiting for the news.
Nice. Is there anybody in the Zoom?
Just now, Sir Ken joined. But before this, it was just me and you. Cryptos are all green.
Yeah, I haven't gotten into crypto because it's been, you know, going higher and higher, and didn't want to get into anything too volatile.
Yeah.
This drawdown thing really makes me anxious.
Nervous.
Yeah, because, you know, it'll be the end of my challenge.
Yeah.
Where's RT?
No idea. Oh, he just jumped in.
He's usually posting charts 24 hours a day.
Yeah, he don't sleep.
I hope he takes some of those trades.
Yeah, he comes up with some good stuff.
It's just a pullback.
Who was that?
That was RT saying it's just a pullback.
I should change my name from Ignat to just a pullback.
Don't worry, guys. I'm just pulling back. GJ should be turning into a buy soon. Yesterday's AUD and ZD is in good profits. I am gonna close it now.
Where's he going? Where's he going?
EuroCAD is also in profits.
No escucha porque está música.
We're on YouTube, by the way. RT says he's making breakfast. Hopefully for everybody. Yesterday I mentioned all the indices are gonna fly up, and they all did. Anaz was a really good trade yesterday. After a little bit of scare, but worked out pretty well. Damn, UK 100.
Look at this guy. Look at this fucking idiot.
We can't.
You guys are real quiet this morning.
We're like the markets right now, waiting for the news.
I hear you. You don't want to. You don't want to like speculate or anything. You know what I mean?
Well, it most likely will be positive news.
What makes you say that?
Things are becoming better now, COVID-wise.
Okay. What about
And most of the U.S. news that has dropped all week, even jobless claims yesterday, was positive.
and positive news for sure? But why is gold going up if the news is positive?
Metals are back in demand. COVID is lower. So gold is a metal going up.
All right. Will it go up today with the NFP?
Might see a dip and then go up.
That trade I got into yesterday, I got the stop loss hugged up pretty nice right now under support.
Yeah.
So, because I have a feeling it's going to dip, or it's going to dip with the news, and then go back up.
Yeah, that's what I just said. All the indices are all up pretty much today or yesterday. Everything just kept moving up, which I had mentioned during the.
You said that before we got off.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And that's exactly what happened. I was in the NAS trade, which paid pretty well.
That NAS trade was an excellent trade.
Yeah, but it was a matter of holding because I bought it here and it did this big candle down. So a lot of stop losses would have taken out by then.
There's no doubt about that.
But then after that, it just did. I closed it up at the top here.
Okay. So if the news is good, that means the USD will weaken sharply. Yes.
That's why I think the indices are all posted up at the top right now. So it can do that big drop that NFP normally brings. SPX is already moving down. NAS is already moving down. US 30 is already moving down. Germany is already moving down. UK is kind of moving down. So is gold. But this is all pre-market. People are taking the positions out and they're going to wait for what happens. So the New York Forex market just opened. And the news, I believe, is in 22 minutes.
$22.
Hello, Kevin.
Kev. I suggested some good leisure film watching over the weekend in the chat.
Film watching. Oh, that was something you posted?
Yeah, a documentary.
Okay.
Talking about the central banks and what their roles are and what they end up doing, what we don't know, and what might seem conspiracy theorish and whatever. This kind of gives you this documentary gives you insight into how it all works.
Cool.
I was saying that
this one right here.
Yeah. There's a trailer. The first link I give is a trailer.
Hey, Kevin, what's your name on Discord?
Who?
Kevin. How long is this thing? One hour, 32 minutes. Holy crap.
132.
It's supposed to hold my attention for that long?
I think you'll find it pretty riveting.
I'll try it.
Especially for somebody who's trying to learn or is into fundamentals?
Am I?
I think so.
Hmm.
A little bit.
I got your lion on the video.
I see it, man. I see it in your background there. How you? I don't even understand how you would get that in the background like that. You're getting too advanced for me, man.
Built it with my own 2 hands. So GU currently is fallen.
But can it get up?
But look at what GU's been doing.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically just in between, you know, just doing this right here. Not much more.
Range, range, range.
Yep, and in the middle of a channel. Not even touching the tops and bottoms besides this news event.
Mm. Somebody had asked me if they thought EU was going to go up or down with the NFP.
It might go down. Because, well, if good news, USD gets weaker.
With good news, the Euro USD gets weaker.
Yeah, so it'll go down.
Mm-hmm. I got you.
A very good trader has a sell on it.
Uh-huh. You can say my name. You don't have to keep it secret.
The certain trader had 6 losses in a row and just had 1 win this week.
How good is he?
But this one looks promising. Maybe news will push it down.
Is this trader that you're talking about? Is he, somebody you just respect as a trader straight up?
Totally.
Why is he having so many losses?
I mean, even good traders lose, I suppose.
But he sounds like he's on a streak.
Well, he broke it now.
Okay.
It's a trader we're all familiar with in the group.
Oh. I thought you were talking about somebody, one of your.
No, it's not a personal friend of mine.
Okay. Well, I'm glad he broke his streak. He's on his back to his winning ways.
Yep.
I got like a final notice from Niels.
What?
Niels.
That's what I'm. What do you mean final notice?
It was like he's leaving trading behind.
Huh.
Got to tend to his personal matters and stuff. I was like, what? It's like the trading can't help you. He's like, I already know I'm a good trader. I got an established system and everything, but I got to leave it behind to tend to these matters. And I was like, okay, man, good luck, man.
He should definitely stick with his school, that's for sure. He was trying to quit and be a trader for good, but
Yeah, I was trying to talk him out of that.
yeah, I mean, trading also, you need capital, man. Like when you're young, which he is, um, you can't just put $100 and expect it to turn into, 1,000 or, 10,000. You're still learning at this point. So having a backup as education, starting off with a job, then fueling your, trading with that, it would be the right thing to do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Forex is not a quick rich thing. It's a patience thing. You have to, learn, take your time with it, and then grow with it. And any trader would tell you, like, you can learn for years and years until one day it clicks. But until that one day comes, you have to, have something else going.
I agree 100%.
Well, what time is the news? Needs to get it over with already.
14 minutes.
13 minutes.
I took a quick pound Swiss trade this morning. I actually think it's if it wasn't NFP, I would have kept it. I would have stayed in it, but I put my stop loss, hugged it after I got 10 pips of profit, and I hugged it real tight. I had just a small position, but I think that's going to be a good trade. Good trade for a swing. I'm going to revisit it as soon as this NFP stuff is over.
Well, we got 9 people watching us today.
That's a number.
9 whole people.
I got 7 on the participants.
Drunk, I apologize. I made a boo-boo. I was not on mute before.
Oh, we didn't hear you.
Oh, there was almost a 5-car pileup.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Yeah, and I said, look at this effing idiot.
Yeah, I know. I heard that part, and I'm like, we can't because we don't have video. Yeah, that's crazy. It's
on
Friday, huh?
live TV.
You know what, man? I just realized we were live YouTube.
Yeah, so no profanity, no burping, no farting.
No getting stuck looking at things you're not supposed to while driving.
Yeah, now I get it, drunk.
Like yesterday.
Well, sometimes you just can't help it, man.
Yeah, nature is beautiful.
There's talent all around. Lots of talent here.
Miami.
Today, I think is going to be a boring day.
Yeah.
You got to bring the party, man.
So
it's Friday. Come on.
U.S. oil has broken out of the uptrend, moving down now.
Oh man, I need oil to make a comeback.
That's
I'm
interesting.
buried right now.
Yeah, you're still not out of that
30,000
stock, huh?
shares. Yeah, I have 30,000 shares of that stuff.
Hey, Igna, since we have you here, you want to explain options to us? How does that work?
Well, options are the right to buy a stock.
At a
So
certain
you're
price.
buying the right
At
at
a
a certain price.
given
Yeah.
price, yeah. So,
Yeah.
so options expire. What does that mean that it
yes.
expires? So you have
So
24 hours, or do you have a certain price that it expires at?
no, when you go, you have to go to the options chain when you're
Uh-huh.
buying options, and that's where the price, the bid and ask on the option is.
Uh-huh.
And each option, each contract is worth 100 shares, right? So if you buy one contract, let's say you buy one contract of Apple. Let's say you buy it at $130. Hold on. The price is at 130, right? And you're predicting that, let's say you're going to day trade it. And today you're predicting that it's going to move to $132.
Okay.
So when the market opens, you would look at the options chain, and how I would play it is close to the money, which means, so the options chain has prices 130, 131, 132, 130, and it goes so on all the way to 150, 160, it's just endless.
So you
can
pick
buy
which
options.
one you want.
Yeah, you can buy options way out the money. But if you're not buying a long date, if you're doing a day trade, you want to choose
Closest one.
maybe you want to choose maybe a week out option expiry, a week out, to be safe. Now, a week out is going to cost you more than, let's say, if you bought a YOLO, which is the same day expiry, right? If the option expires today, if you buy it at 9:30 at open and it expires today, it's going to be super cheap versus buying it for a week out or 2 weeks out. The longer the date, the more it's going to cost you for that particular price. And the reason of that is because you have better chances of hitting that price. You follow?
Yeah. So let's say
Now,
I bought it at 30. I want it to go to 32, right?
yes.
But it went to 27. What is
So
that
now
about?
you're losing money.
And then when it expires, you expire in a loss.
Yeah, your contracts go worthless.
Okay, so what do you lose? The buy-in price? Or you lose the sum of how many pips or whatever it went down?
Theta. You have to learn the Greeks. I mean, options are very complicated to learn. You have to learn the Greeks, which is gamma, theta, and every one of the Greeks is right. So theta is decay. So when you buy an option for a week out, right? You want your price to to be at the money that you chose, or to go beyond it as soon as possible, because every day that goes by, there's theta decay, which means that your contracts become worth less every day.
Okay.
So if there is a 0.05 theta decay, that means that your contracts are getting worthless 50 cents every day or every other day. Depends also on like if you're in earning season. Like, for example, I used to play Netflix a lot, right? 2 weeks before earnings, I would play Netflix, and I would get based on my charts. If let's say Netflix was at $400 and Netflix had a high of 490, right? Or maybe there was a gap to fill at 460. I would play my options all the way out at 460 for 2 weeks. Actually, I would play 3 weeks. I would buy it 3 weeks expiry, right? So I would play a 460. It wouldn't cost much. It would be like maybe I don't know, let's say $1 a contract, which is $100, which would cost you $100 because it's 100 shares.
Mhm.
So in that situation, when you're playing earnings run, the theta somehow works with you because those contracts become more desirable the closer you get to the
Yeah.
date.
Yeah.
So they become more expensive, right? So even if 2 weeks have gone by, you don't have much theta decay because the desire for somebody to jump into Netflix for earnings
Yeah. The value went up.
has driven the options price up. You understand?
Okay. So how about this? Say I bought it at 30. I wanted to get to 32. I still have time on my expiry, and it got to 38. Do I make extra then? Oh, that's because, yeah, okay, because it's not decaying, it's gaining value. So
Yeah. Once you're
okay.
in the money,
Yeah.
you're in, let's say you bought it at 30 and you're at 32. So now you're in the money, right?
Okay, yeah, I get it.
When you're in the money, that's when gamma kicks in. Every dollar it goes up, there's it could go up $50 per share. I mean, $50. We're talking about one contract. Now, people buy 10, 15, 100. People that are scalping do 100 contracts.
Uh-huh.
But the risk there is if you do a YOLO for 100 contracts, just know that by 2 o'clock, theta decay kicks in and it starts eating up. If you haven't hit your price,
and you can't close it manually because it's on a time.
Of course you can.
You
can close it. You can close it anytime you want.
Okay.
Yeah, you can close it in loss.
That?
You can close it in losses and take. You could put a stop loss too and take less loss versus taking 0. Because if
in a profit situation, you can take profit and get out.
Of course.
Because if you're buying the news as far as their their numbers to come out, and if it came out negative, then it could just drop really hard and your profits will be gone. So you could close right before the news comes out too, right?
Well, the only thing with options is you only can trade options between 9:30 and 4. That's it, Eastern time. So
you
there's
close it the day before.
There's no pre-market. No.
Yeah.
Well, you can close it the day before, but you can only trade options in the regular cash session. Yeah. Okay. 9:30 to 4. That's it.
So 3:30 the day before the news. If you're in profits, you can close it and not take a chance.
It's basically the same theory as playing options and futures. Yeah, only that in futures options you don't have expiry.
Yeah.
But you can get killed in futures options because you need
do futures only, not futures options, and
you need a big account to do those.
Huge account, 10,000 at least to start.
Yeah, options are fun, man. If you are good at reading charts and you can scalp, I mean, there are days when I made 1,000% because, like Netflix on earnings runs, you can make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000% with a small amount of money. That's that's what's good about options is you don't have to lay out, you don't have to buy. Let's say Amazon. Amazon is probably close to the money. So like an option on the options chain is probably $1,600 or $1,700 per contract.
Okay, I'm gonna cut you off just for a little bit. 30 seconds till NFP drops. Let's see what happens with these markets.
We're gonna try to get in some indices.
If it's falling hard and keeps falling, maybe we'll try to join. But we'll see what it does. Right now it's moving up. 10 seconds.
Okay.
We'll see a reaction like maybe 5 minutes after the news. I'm waiting on the numbers coming down. Oh, there we go. Whew. We did say it was gonna fall.
Wow, look at gold. Oh my gosh.
Look at US 30.
Look at US 30. That ooh. That's the liquidity move. Will it be followed through?
I wonder what the spread is on that.
Now it's wicking.
Woo!
Gold is moving up. Woo. Oh, wow. Is it gonna reach 1900?
Holy smokes.
Now that's fun.
Was the news good or bad?
Waiting on numbers.
Holy smokes.
But
So don't touch
most likely
US 30.
good the way it's moving. US 30 is wicking. UK, let's see. Nas. Ooh, Nas went up. I'd be in huge profits right now if I had my open from yesterday. SPX wicked to the top.
Bingo bells. Just hit TP1 on gold. Yay.
Nice. Which you also did not tell us about.
Oh man, really? We're doing this again. Bingo bells, man.
Euro USD actually flew up
Wow.
like crazy. I hope that one person had closed his trade that he followed the other trader on.
I hope so. Woo-wee. Yes, alerts and everything going off. Goodness gracious. We're going
Yeah,
on.
this is fireworks stuff here.
Oh, yeah.
What's the news?
Oh,
Who cares?
I'm just looking at candles. I still don't have a number.
Wow.
What was I gonna do? Oh yeah.
Good stuff. Jingle. Woohoo!
Fireworks.
Looks like it's bad news.
Hey, may tips be upon you.
I'm making an update.
Why am I looking at BTC? Let me UK. Oh, gold. Wow.
It's bad
Wow,
news.
US 30, bro. Maybe we wait for the pullback now, huh?
That's it.
You think it's going to the 200?
It passed it. Oh, actually, on the 5
no.
minute, it passed it. On the 15, it's halfway there, but it looks like it might be. Yeah. Now that's some exciting stuff. This is why you don't trade on NFP if you don't know what's gonna happen.
That's right.
So, up the non-farm payrolls is up by 266,000. Non-farm employment in the United States rose. So yeah,
Unemployment?
huh?
Unemployment?
No, employment rose by 2,000,
So it's good news.
266,000. It's good news, yeah. That's why it's dropping. But yeah. Man, that gold.
Yes, sir. Mango. Oh yeah. How many? Ooh boy. How many pips did that pop? Hmm.
Yeah, it's gonna
It's weird
keep
where
hanging up. US 30 is
it's
showing
weird where
some.
US 30 is like sort of falling. Think it's gonna push down further?
I think it will. We
I think
still
it might
have the stock market open, which is also gonna push it towards whatever the news is. So if it goes back up, you could say that it's gonna drop again with the stock market open.
So you're saying it's too soon to get in for a pullback?
Yeah, this is just a little pullback, and then stock market open will push it down again.
Woo. That was quite the surge, man.
Gold is still surging.
I'm staring at it. Saying that spike was what, 191 pips?
Yeah, we haven't seen a spike like this on NFP for a while.
Yeah, yeah. Whew. Whew.
Are you okay, RT?
Not yet. Not yet. But I'm
You sound like you ate the habanero.
He sounds like a Haitian lady right now.
A Haitian lady.
Woo! They do that a lot, especially down in Florida. If you tell them a price for something, that's the first thing. If you tell them it's $2, oh, I give you 50 cents. What do you mean? It's $2.
Dude, I was a street vendor for 7 years, man.
So you know what I mean.
I ran into all of them, and every ethnicity has its own little quirks when it comes to haggling.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's just
Indian guy will play it cool but still like try to get it down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But a Haitian lady, fresh word out of her mouth, no matter what the price is. Oh. They will never settle for the first price you tell them. That's why you tell them higher.
My gosh, gold. Keep going, man. More power to
So we got SPX moving up.
SPX.
We got NAS moving up, but we got US 30 falling.
It's not really doing anything, US 30. It fell and then pulled back up a little bit.
Yeah, now it's just meddling around. But NAS is a clear shoot up, and SPX is a wick. It's interesting.
The question is why?
And gold is still up and up.
It looks like that US 30 came down to a support area and actually wicked past it.
It went past the 50.
So
but this support area also is a new support area that it has just created. I don't know how valid it is, but
well, if this 15-minute candle closes above the 50, then it will
go up. Yeah. Right now it's pushing down still. It might want to touch that 200, I think.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, and there's a support there as well at the 200. Interesting. We'll see what New York market open does for it, and then try to catch a retracement or something. Gold ain't retracing.
Gold is not retracing, man.
No, sir.
What about that EU you had checked on? Is it still moving?
Should we? Oh man. Yep. Boosted up big time. So I guess the streak is starting again for somebody.
Wait, look at that. Goodness gracious.
That means you could sell gold later.
And still, sir.
Gold hasn't made a move like that in a long time.
Nope. All right.
I remember
it's going
a
past
year
its
ago,
resistance.
It was doing that all the time. Oh, that kid, let me tell you.
Are we about to make a double top there?
Yeah.
Marcus,
I mean, I understand why so-and-so wanted to sell this. I mean, it broke, it came down, it retested, came down, went up to retest again. But during news, you can't take a chance. As you can see why.
you got to be very careful.
If there's NFP, do not trade USD pairs. Unless you're like 100% sure what it's gonna do. GU moved up actually past the box now. Igna, you had buys, right? But you closed them, but originally.
Yeah, I closed them. I wasn't in anything. I want to take buys in US 30, but not yet.
I was already in gold, so
You made your money, huh?
I made money, but I'm saying the reason why I didn't pull out of the
Me voy para.
I just put the stop loss underneath, just to secure things. Because sometimes NFP is a myth, you know what I mean?
There was a lot of mess during COVID, but I think now it's getting back to normal. But a lot of times also NFP doesn't just move in one direction. It'll do a spike down and then move up.
Yeah.
And it did not do that today. It just only went up.
Man, I mean, the way it moved was really odd. Because just like you said, usually if somebody tried to bracket a entries on for long and short, usually it'll activate both of them to get you in trouble. But
that's what they do. They take them out both ways and then let it go the way it's supposed to go. That's why I was watching to see if it spiked down and started moving up, then that's the direction it wants to go.
Yeah.
But not today. But US 30 definitely seems like it wants to touch that 200 at this point.
Look at that. Ooh. NFP Fridays. You wanted excitement? You got it. Gosh darn. Gold is still strong, holding fast.
That's a solid candle, man. On the 1 minute, ooh. On the 5 minute, there is like no prisoners taken.
Parabolic.
And 15 is a solid. 4 hour is just solid.
Solid as a rock.
Yeah, it was a good time to be in a buy, that's for sure. And we've been talking about this all week, that it's going to be a buy this week.
I did a video on it, contrary to popular belief that I didn't give a heads up about the trade. But I'm just saying, I put
video out there about this.
And it was a public video, so anyone that out there saw it and agreed with it and took it should be sending you some money.
Sending me a cut of something, man. What kills me is I get a bunch of people that view these videos, but they don't give one like.
Yeah.
What is wrong with you? You know, put it in the description. Hey, you know, if you want more free information, more free education.
Yeah, I gotta show some kind of support because for those listening, those likes mean a lot because they help YouTube figure out if your video is helpful and that, you know, either to like promote it to other people or not. And if it's getting likes, YouTube looks at that as popularity and they will suggest it to more people. But if not, then, you know, you're just another YouTuber. So those likes do help. Even dislikes, it still helps. At least that's some kind of interaction, and they look for interactions. Comments are better and with likes, but it's not too hard to click on a like button.
Not too hard at all. We're not asking for money. We're just asking for a gesture. Hey,
Yeah.
check this.
The effort I took into making this video and posting it and coming up with a thumbnail for it and you know, putting whatever tags on it and blah, blah, blah. At least, you know, a like would be, you know, helpful.
Helpful.
So silver is already making its way down.
Ooh,
Um,
get back to gold.
Gold normally follows silver, but right now it's not.
Mm.
But that, you know, it might be getting ready for that. But if they do retrace right now, I think they will go back to doing the same thing again during stock market open. US 30 is already turning around, trying to. Nazi is turning around. Specs is stuck. Dollar fell, but only fell to its previous low. So it didn't really fall.
I cannot believe this move.
Oh, what did oil do?
Oil.
It fell even more.
418.
Should have taken that sell. Still can. It's coming up at a major support right now. If it breaks through, then I'll take a sell. So UD and ZD, I took a buy here yesterday. I closed it here today. And look at this, what it did.
Wow. It's going to give me another chance to take another buy.
Maybe, I'm gonna wait though.
424 pips.
So GU could continue moving up for today.
That'd be interesting.
What did my GJ do? I was thinking about buying GJ. Yep, not yet.
Not yet.
Wouldn't be a good buy. Respecting the trend line for now. Looks like it wants to return back. What has the strengths done? Euro strong, GBP strong, JPY strong, Chef strong, NZD strong, AUD strong, USD nothing, CAD weakest. Crypto, on the other hand, has been totally green to the most part. And the futures. It's kind of undecided, neutral. LTC really does not want me to buy it.
Still popping. Goodness gracious. Sound
Yeah,
like
that was one crazy move, that's for sure.
goodness gracious, man. Look at that freaking news candle.
Look at AUD CAD. What's up with you?
You did candle. Oh snap.
What?
Whoa, what is that? That's
AUD CAD on a 15-minute.
15 minutes. Gosh. Oh. 230.
Interesting. Well, it had broken its downtrend and it was supposed to be going up anyway, but not like that right now. And you moved up pretty good. Man, this is some big moves on every pair. Like, I feel sorry for everyone that was in USD pairs on the wrong side.
Ooh, boy. This was this was one of those situations where you could have sat on the sidelines easily.
Yeah.
Man.
And this is one of those situations where you could lose your account.
Mm-hmm.
This is USD Chef.
Mm-hmm.
US 30. Now at that support. But I think there might be another push down. Gold is still strong. US 30. I'm gonna take a sell here. But be careful following me because there's still some spikes left.
Oops.
Yeah, Euro USD definitely went the other way. I put out like 3 videos yesterday.
I saw them. I got
Yeah.
them all in my little section.
Pretty eventful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a video now, mostly on crypto, on each crypto,
Nice.
and explain what they are and the ones that I'm in and why I bought them and where I see them going.
That'll be much appreciated.
CAD JPY. That's a huge drop. USD JPY, huge drop.
And JP.
GN, huge drop. AUD and ZD, fake out. EuroCAD went the other way, pretty hard. Like there's, for instance, like, why is AUD so bullish right now on US news?
Good question. I still want to know.
US 30 is in profits.
I want to know why US 30 took the nosedive, and the other indices had moonshots. What's up with that mathematics?
Mets.
What I'm talking about. It's been quite a while since I finished off the week on a Friday like this.
Yeah, it is. There hasn't been this much excitement in a while.
Woo.
That was some. I'm glad I was up for it.
Good fortune, good fortune. Hey, how's the I didn't even check the chat for the YouTube chat.
Everyone's quiet.
Why you guys so quiet? Hope nobody took losses.
You know, a lot of times when traders go quiet, that's what happened.
I see 3 likes and 3 people watching.
Amaze balls.
Pardon me?
Amazing.
Oh, no, I'm in profit in a EU buy. Excellent, Kev. Excellent.
Good job.
Well done. EU buys were good to go today, boy.
Mm-hmm.
That pound Swiss quick scalp I took today, man, I'm glad I got out of it because it went the opposite way. Woo-wee.
Uh-oh.
What happened? You're in profit.
No.
Huh?
Look what's
Uh-oh.
dotting.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Super Punisher.
Let's see what he says about EU today. It did exactly what I said.
I got about you.
There we go. EU running. Mr. could well not break the high, hopefully low. Nick went for Australia, but that was funny to me. London today showed. And before news, it definitely showed numbers are bad. Listen, never think you know what is happening. Read the market on the day for NFP. Good luck.
Snaps.
Taking shots.
You can't take shots at Nikki, man.
No, Nick's cool. I like him
Yeah.
as a person.
He misfired on this one. I got this week. I took a stop loss hit. I don't usually get stop loss hits. I can mitigate before that happens, but this one I got caught. It happens. What are you gonna do?
I, on the other hand,
You might as well go through them.
TP2, TP1, TP2, TP1, TP1, TP2, TP1, all day long. TP2, TP1, TP3, TP2.
Punish still typing.
Yep.
Oh man.
Oh, look at TP1, 2, 3, 4. Practically everything hitting for the last few weeks.
That's good stuff.
Better knock on wood.
I
And
think
that's not even the trades we take in the Zoom. That's just what I post in the group.
that's what was I about to say?
BTC
What about BTC?
rocketing up.
Oh snap! Look at that. Listen, I just put out that a video on the BTC idea. It was for buys.
Uh-huh. That no one knows about.
All I can do is put the information up in the community and to the YouTube public. That's all I can do, man. Even today, bank orders showed 1.2135. That should tell you it's bad. Nick, my God. Come on, man, leave Nick alone. He was explaining that it is a position he took as NFP looms yesterday.
So yeah, unemployment rate rose to 6.1%.
6.1? Really? Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's interesting. That's unexpected. At least I didn't expect it.
Yeah, me neither. But okay, so Montana is actually gonna stop giving that extra money that people are getting for sitting at home unemployed. Mostly because there's so many employers that are open now and they cannot find people to work. So instead, they're gonna start a new program and reward people for going and finding a job, which is, I think, pretty cool. But a lot of people are not going back to work right now. It's because they're getting paid to sit at home. And some of them are actually getting paid more than if they actually worked their 40-hour shift, because it's the unemployment plus the extra 600 or whatever it is on top of that.
I saw a news program that went into that that often repeated statement about why people aren't going to work.
Yeah, I mean, if you're sitting at home and making more, why? You know?
What they found was there were more people who were sitting at home because they couldn't go back to work. Why? Because of children and childcare.
Yeah, but schools are fully running.
Not all of them. And this is, we're talking about nationwide. Not all of them are open just yet, and they just opened. So we won't see those numbers for people who are returning to work until the next report.
Yeah.
But up until this point, that was one of the main cogs as far as family went. You know, they couldn't get back to work because of the extenuating circumstances with the their family members, not just the kids, but also older, the aging parents that they had to bring back into the home, or because they didn't want them to be exposed at the long-term care facilities.
Mhm.
There was another thing that they found too that kept people from going back. I'm trying to remember what it was.
I mean, that does make sense at some point. There is argument on both sides, obviously. Gold is coming down now. We have 25 minutes till
Oh no!
stock market open.
Yep, I just hit my break even.
In profits.
Oh yeah, way in profits. I wasn't giving back anything. Just what. So I said, I was saying that I put in the chat that if it hits my stop loss, fine. I'll just.
So basically, it was a trailing stop.
Yeah, it was trailing. Yeah. With this NFP, heck yeah! When you get a moonshot like that, there, what am I going to do? Wait for it to retrace? You know what I mean? I'm going to get the extra and get back in on the pullback. That's it.
Yeah. So the pullbacks looks like it's happening now.
Right. When it settles on this pullback, that's when I'll get back in for the buy, as long as it's continuing in the original trend. But heck yeah, I want to grab and run.
Grab and go.
Right, man. Shoot.
The store around the corner. Grab and go.
That's over 400 pips, man. Am I
Good
supposed?
job.
Am I supposed to just let that retrace? Act like it didn't happen?
Okay, all right, we get it.
What am I supposed to do, man? Huh?
We
This is
get
not
it.
America?
What you're supposed to do is come in here and be like, guys,
Oh man,
Now.
really?
buying gold now.
I put out the video. I even said I gotta buy.
That video was what, 3 days ago? Who knows if that plan is still
Oh Lord have mercy. There's a date on it, doggone it. Jingle bells, man. What am I supposed to do? I tried, man. I tried. I just not appreciated, man. I'm just not appreciated.
Try harder.
Trying to support. Hey, look at my my avatar. It says nobody cares. Work harder.
Okay, we see what you mean.
I just gotta go. I just gotta work harder. That's
So are you telling me
uh,
that when it comes back here, we can buy again?
as long as it doesn't break support. Of course, I'm only taking the trade upon confirmations. With no confirmations, there is no trade. So if I see it support holding, and then I get that bullish and go for the bullish momentum candle out of there after seeing some rejections, that's when I'll get back in.
So
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
IRS has filed paperwork to get identities of all US taxpayers that actually trade crypto.
Oh snap.
So they can, govern it and tax it.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Well, I mean, it's coming. We've known that's gonna happen. It's just becoming a reality more.
Listen, man, before the weekend starts, man, you're gonna talk to me about these NFTs, man.
Yeah. So yeah, here's another thing. This guy's big with his if you don't know who he is, look him up. But he says NFT is the next Amazon. NFT does have its own marketplace where you buy and sell NFTs. So if you don't know about NFT, I'm gonna make a video on NFT, so keep checking back. Dogecoin is not a joke anymore, as it has hit $77 billion in market cap.
My brother went and bought some Dogecoin.
Yeah, I'm holding some as well.
But it went down a little bit yesterday, no?
Yeah, but I bought it at 31 cents. And right now it's at 61 cents. So I'm still good.
I'm just scared.
So with this crypto being green and moving up like crazy, especially Ethereum, Robinhood went down for about an hour. And a lot of people were pretty pissed that they could not get in on the boom.
That's not cool at all, man. That's not cool at all.
Nope, 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 nope.
And my brother went through Robinhood to get that Dogecoin.
No, I'm not using Robinhood. So silver surges 3%. And pretty much all the metals should be surging, as we saw what gold did today. Coinbase is closing its headquarters in San Francisco.
Hey, could you take a brief look at what Punisher just wrote, man? It's right up your alley.
If this daily fractal is somehow safe today, I gave you all of it practically before it happened. I must be so good with this, just having fun. See the point? I even marked yesterday.
Isn't that what you was talking about?
Lies. But I mean, all week I've been saying EU is not a sell unless I see something solid on it. It's an uptrend. It did break the trend, but that doesn't mean anything. Overall, I look at it as a up. That's just a little retracement.
Just a wee bit of correction. That's it.
Yep, and it's doing exactly the same. I mean, if you look at this past, right? So this was a downtrend, but it broke out of the downtrend, started looking like it was gonna go up, but then it fell anyway. So this is the same here, just the opposite, going up, broke out, and then back up.
Impulse correction, impulse.
Yep.
The natural order of things.
US 30 is now stalling. 17 minutes before we see some huge moves.
17 minutes. Punisher ain't finished yet.
Well, he's got a glow, it's actually been
You been on?
saying this for like weeks now, not just this week. Nah.
He's been on it. He's been preaching from the mountaintop. There's no doubt about it. Nice to be right. Kevin, is that where you got your inspiration for your EU trade through some of the stuff Punisher has been putting in the chat? Huh, what? I said, did you get inspired by Punisher and what he's been putting in the chat about EU over the last few weeks for your EU trade? Oh, yes. Very nice, man.
Yeah, Panisha is not someone to take lightly. He does come across as like in a very nerdy way about the things he talks about, but if you can make sense of what he's saying, he does know his shit.
Let me tell you something, man. He broke down how the futures market, how the Forex market relies on the futures, and I'm talking about from soybeans to wheat to altcoins and stuff. He broke this thing down in a way that I was looking at him like, did you inspire like Marvel superheroes, supervillains like Doom, Galactus, or somebody? Because Lex Luthor, man, this guy's Lex Luthor, man.
So those that don't know about futures, this is what futures deals with. Lumber, copper, soybean, wheat, DAX, NASDAQ, gold, corn, soybeans, pretty much mostly agriculture.
Super smart, PhD level.
You could actually trade coffee. Dirty 30.
I started in trading in the in futures.
And you did? Me too.
You were no doubt a whole lot better than I was.
You don't know that?
I do know it. You see that gold trade? That means I know.
Oh yeah, that's you've been good on gold this whole week. I mean, but
Not last week, but this week. You've been good on gold since I've been here. A little different. Just trying
yeah, but I mean,
to work my way up, man.
that's me. But I mean, you've definitely done well on gold, and I know you used to talk a lot negative about gold, as you've talked about how it has burnt you in the past. But I think you've got a hold on gold now.
Have something. I know I got one today. That's all I know.
But you got another one last week too, right? Or earlier this week.
I did.
So yeah, you did.
I'm working on it, man. They were way off. They were way off with the NFP forecast. Wow, this is a bummer. Hence, reversal will not happen to USD yet. My areas are truly still valid for Dixie. See you next week. Okay.
Let's go US 30. Let's go US 30.
It was just in profit.
What was gold?
US 30.
It is in profit.
Oh, you took a short. Yes, all right. You did take a short. Okay. Well, now you're in really good profit.
Mm-hmm.
That thing's going down to the 200, man.
That's my hope and goal. Life will be good if that happens. I shall take a tequila shot if it does.
What about what's going on there, Mike? I see you.
How you doing, guys?
All right.
Look at who it is.
I thought I'd sneak in.
I see you, man.
Here I am. I thought I'd come and catch some, well, for me, late afternoon activity. Just what's going on?
Yeah, look at what NFP did to the markets today.
Huge, isn't it?
Look at gold.
Yeah.
Look at gold.
I mean, just following on from what. Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Euro USD flew up like crazy.
But just following on from Punisher, he thinks that this is going to happen for a while, but then the DIX is really going to come back to its own, right? Eventually.
Yeah. What did it say about Dixie? Is it gonna go down or up? I didn't read it.
I think he's saying that it's still weak, and then sooner or later they're going to turn it around, and it's going to go up to like 105, 110 sort of area, 120.
Ooh, that's a big prediction.
Yeah.
But yeah, today it still has a push down, I think, left. It's moving up like right now, but I think there's still another push down.
There are variables.
He's talking about the long run because he's a swing trader.
He's more positional than even swing.
Yeah, position trader. There you go.
He's looking at stuff from 2 years and 4 years seasonal patterns.
Yeah, he's looking at weekly and monthly and yearly charts.
He's linking up a bunch of different markets. I mean, he put it together for me one time, and I was like, "What?" Super smart. Got to go to school just to have a doggone conversation with this guy.
Very protective of his identity too.
Yeah.
It's weird, isn't it? He's a bit secret squirrel.
Yeah, he added me on Facebook and is like, I appreciate it if you don't give me away.
His nickname's Punisher. His mostly real name's like Norman or something, isn't it?
No, he's from Sri Lanka.
Oh, right.
Norman would be a weird name for him.
Yeah, but that's what I was implying. I was saying he's a bit of a over
It's
in
probably
the UK.
like Navneet or something.
Yeah, if you're a Norman or a Malcolm or something like that, you're a bit of a mummy's boy and a bit of a sort of wet weekend. You know, and you've got your nickname's Punisher. So it's like
yeah, he's a little nerdy, but he's very educated. He knows what he's talking about.
oh yeah, very much. Yeah.
Tough name. Tough name like Punisher. Comes up with the name Timothy.
Yeah, exactly.
Tommy
and Timothy.
Yeah, it turns out to be Carol.
Do you think these large candles, like the big sell-off, I mean, I'm looking at dollar yen, it looks like it's trying to come back to nearly maybe where it was before, sort of early 109s.
Dollar yen, USD, JPY. Let me look at it. Where is my
109 area, do you think?
USD, JPY. Okay, so yeah, so what had happened is they're trading here, but then when the news dropped, it followed all the way down here. Now it's retracing, but now we have the New York stock market opening, and that's, I believe, is going to push it down again before it starts retracing.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's in 6 minutes. We'll see. So this is a retracement, but New York stock market is still to be opened and make another move on it. Under those principles, I took a sell on US 30, thinking the stock market will push it down a little more.
Anyone else?
Which I'm in profits in now. But if it starts moving up, I'll close it, take a little bit of what it's doing now. Who gave this authority? Who? I tried doing that when you took it. I couldn't do it.
Igna did. He got me with it. I was like, God dog it, man. Throwing smiley faces and all kind of mess. He asked if you were still on the Zoom,
No.
and he didn't come in. Didn't come in yet.
I think it's a little busy today. Friday.
It is Friday.
Friday.
A good Friday. On top of that,
Yeah, we had another good positive week in the group with my signals for sure. So that's great. No losses.
that's gonna boost ratings. The show, the Drunk Monkey Show.
Someone just messaged me that they wish not follow a certain trader anymore.
Oh no.
Who's that, Nick?
Hey, no names, man. Hey, hey.
All friends here.
We're live on YouTube, sir.
We don't badmouth.
Yes. I didn't know you were in that group too. I guess you were. I don't know. A lot of us are from there, I guess.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's right. That's how I come across you.
Okay. Yeah. I remember. That was a while back. You've been with us for a while now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be there with you till I die, man. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying the ride. This is good.
Very good, man.
Yeah, and the person that just said that too, he's from England as well.
We need a few more British on here, definitely.
Yeah, your accent was really refreshing for me because you were our first one in here.
The only thing is, I hate you guys because you can trade the cryptos and we can't. So when I see you at weekends making money, I hate it. It kills me.
I'll try to tone it down a little bit. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's not fair.
I'll tell you what's not fair, being able to the tax advantages that you can have trader in Europe with the what is that account? It's called what kind of account is it called? It's not it's like a separate account where you're not considered a trader. It's considered something else for tax purposes.
All right. Well, I don't know it.
Listen, everybody, this is well known. It's kind of like what we do in the States, where you set up a separate LLC. You might set up a C corp or S corp or something. Over there, it's called a even with that, the advantages that we have here, setting up a separate corporation, you still have to pay capital gains and that kind of thing, but you'll be paying the taxes through the company.
All right, yeah.
Over there, I understand that you can keep basically everything because it's not considered trading income. It's considered something else. I wish somebody could help me with this. I forgot the term that they use.
You know what? You know when you're asleep tonight, it'll come to you suddenly in the middle of the night, won't it?
Yeah. Yep.
All right, so we got a minute till stocks open.
Okay.
And here we go. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Fluctuating hard. And moving down. But how far?
I appreciate that. Where's the bomb go
We can get a mute on that time. Get a little mute on that one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
You want to kiss? You want to kiss that 200? I know it. I know it. Come on.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Very slowly.
You know what? I don't even care how slow it gets there, as long as it arrives. That was a good trade.
Well, it's waking up though. Come on. It's only been a minute though. Let me look at what Euro USD is doing now. Not much action there. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold's gonna move back up now.
That's
Well,
a good retrace, yeah.
and then look at the two candles before it.
That's right.
Um,
Like you like to say, they have to be honored.
yes, they do. I took a buy on gold, guys. I took a buy on gold.
I'm scared of that US 30. It's
Yeah, it's fighting very hard. It shouldn't have fought this hard. It should have already dropped.
it's the way that it left that wick just beyond the big wick to the left.
Mhm.
Just enough to get stop losses. I would like to see it break its own low. And I'm better about it. Look at this.
Mm.
I knew, man, that was a liquidity grab, man.
Mhm.
Jingle, jangle, bing, bang. I need you to touch that 200, man. Stop.
Okay.
Now you're looking good. Now you're looking a little better. I thought you caught COVID or something. Come on now, stop playing around.
It's just a flu. Get over it.
Just the flu.
Not everyone dies.
Spread betting account. That's what it's called in the UK. A spread betting account. Yeah. That'll get, there's no substantial differences. But it's tax-free for English and Irish residents. Isn't it? Oh, why can't we get that in the States, man? Huh?
Because then the politicians won't make the money.
I'm getting tired of politicians. I'm getting tired of all of them. Last one of them. I don't care what kind of shiny suit they have and what they got in their lapel.
Or what country you from? They're all the same.
Politicians are politicians. They're their own race and ethnicity.
Mm-hmm.
They suck.
The whole I care for you guys is a freaking front.
I'm one of you. No, you're not. I'm poor. You're rich. How is that? Make me one of you.
Bring us to your level.
Talking about you were one of me.
All right, this US 30 is really,
It's fighting, man. You like to see it fight. You like the fights.
I don't know, I might get out of it now because it didn't like spike like I wanted it to.
And you're still in profit.
Yeah, for now, so might as well just take that.
So it's down.
Where's my mouse at? Oh, wrong mouse. Sorry. Oh, crap.
It took too long.
Yeah.
Oh, now you're not in profit.
I'm working with two different mouses because I have two different CPUs running on these screens. I grabbed the wrong mouse.
Man, tell me what it's like to live that kind of life where you got all kind of mice,
Frustrating, you know.
screens and mouses and all kind of movie projection equipment. Look at this. Look at this. Shiver me timbers. Now, what is
I
that?
see it. I see it.
Shiver me timbers. Man. Ooh-wee. So I know what you did. You didn't get out of it simply because it was the numbers turned red. Whether it was $2 or $3, you're not going to close on a losing trade. Am I right or am I right?
No, it was the mouse thing. I was actually up 300 at the time I wanted to close.
No, I'm saying now.
Oh, now I'm not going to close. Fuck no. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add right here.
That's some funky stuff it just did, man. I don't like that kind of business. I get scary real quick when it starts pulsing back and forth. I feel like, oh no, I ain't messing with you. Oh boy.
I wonder if it wants to fill that wick back up, the big one.
To correct the whole shebang.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be something else.
That'd be nasty.
That'd be really nasty. But look, it's running into your EMAs. It got to get past if it gets past the 50, then I think you might be right. If it gets past your 50 EMA, man, I think it's gonna correct that whole move.
This New York, I mean, the stock market open really didn't do.
Your gold is in profit.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, it's challenging that 50 for sure.
Shoot, man, I might just hold off because of the swap fees. There's swap fees on gold, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're not positive swap fees.
No.
I mean, they're not negative swap fees. I mean, that'd be nice if it was, but I know it's not. So I don't want to be depleted. Swap type in points. Hey, it is negative. Swap long and swap short. Swap long is negative 5.14885.5.
I'm back.
Hey.
I didn't see the link, but I found it.
Oh, yeah, it got buried in this chat, I think.
Yeah. Stop chatting so much.
Out of bed.
Drunk, am I correct in saying that we would earn a little bit with a negative swap fee?
No.
So if the numbers...
Did you enter US 30?
So if the numbers...
John?
If we lose money then?
Yeah.
But I thought if the number was negative, we would gain.
No, it has to do with interest rate.
Right.
So interest rates are really low. They're not paying as much as they would.
All right, so I'm not going to hold over the weekend.
And Ignite, yes, I sold US 30, but it's not doing what I want it to do.
Wow, man, look at US 30. It went past the 50, went past the little 10 and 20. Or is that 10? Is that 10 and 20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But gold is doing well.
Gold is in profit and loving it.
Yeah, US 30, maybe it wants to match that candle before it drops again.
Wee!
Right here.
Never been to. Is that a 4-hour resistance?
15.
No, I'm saying, is there
Oh, let me look.
is there more resistance for it? Look at,
So news was bad. US 30 is going to drop today.
oh boy. That's a good question.
News was bad.
I think it did a retracement.
Yeah, it did. It's doing it currently. It should drop, but it's not doing it right now.
But look, if you put your fibs on it, you don't need to, because I don't need to. If it goes past the 618 golden ratio and it gets to the 786, once it closes past the 786, that's the last line we're going to expect a retracement at. If it goes past that, where it just rejected from, if it goes past that, then we're going to the top of that candle.
Let me know what happens.
How's your day going so far?
I think I blew my account.
Come on, man. Why? No way.
But I made $563.
Oh, man. What did you blow it on?
Not blow. I think I went into a drawdown
On which one?
on US 30.
Oh.
I went into DD. I think it's done. I mean, I haven't checked my site.
Right.
So I'm getting ready to put a one lot sell on US 30 when it hits point the POC candle.
Gosh. Bro, that's not expected. That was not expected.
But I made like 5 something on US 30 just scalping it.
Did you have something on Aussie New Zealand?
Yeah, but I got rid of it.
Oh.
And remember you said it might be giving me a chance to get back in?
Right, yeah.
I had bought it here, I sold it here, then it did this,
Yeah.
and now it's doing that.
Why didn't you take the buy?
Because I'm done with it now. It's Friday.
It's Friday. Good enough reason.
GU falling again.
You didn't have anything in GU, Igna?
He already got rid of them.
Oh.
He got out in like $40 profit, I think.
Glad you got some profit out of that. GU been stinky for a while.
Well, gold is breathing.
It's breathing in the same spot. It's fighting.
Yeah. UK 100 took off upwards.
UK, okay.
US 30 did too.
Yeah,
What do you think of EJ at the moment? Do you think that's back on the up?
EJ is going up now, yeah.
EJ, you say?
Yeah, EJ is gonna go up quite a bit. At least to the tops, even more further.
Wow, US 30's pushing, man.
It is, it is.
It's going to reject the 786.
Yeah, Euro is really strong right now. JPY is also strong, but not as strong as Euro. So we're seeing that now. EJ is pushing up.
Oh boy.
I'm glad I closed that sell. But I think I already did the drawdown thing because I didn't have much drawdown. $2,700 was my max.
Nice.
I'm gonna wait till I see some good rejection before I sell.
Yeah. Hopefully it's at the
But this
top of
the 1 hour candle looks like a tweezer bottom, man.
It does.
What was it? We're looking at 15. I knew that retracement was it went past it at 786. Oh, yeah.
Where's all this strength coming from?
Good question.
Did the total opposite of news candle. Oh shoot,
Oh,
look at that.
Oh boy.
It broke over, man.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I guess this is one I'll be sitting on for a minute.
Unless they're gonna wick the top of that candle and then push it back down.
Yeah, we'll see what happens here.
That's what looks like it just did.
We got CAD news in 13 minutes. If anybody's cares.
This is a crazy market to be trading in, man. I mean, an hour ago we got a straight shot down, and now we got a straight shot up.
It's crazy.
With a capital K.
Crazy.
Your goal is looking even better.
Yeah, gold's doing good.
There's no way that US 30 makes new highs today.
Did yesterday. It already did today with the, I mean, overnight. I thought it would at least go to the 200 before it moves back up.
That's what I was predicting too.
Yeah. This is just
I think it's going to take out the highs.
yeah, and I think like that's what a lot of people are doing. So banks are kicking out all the SLs right now and taking all those money.
Because if you look at the 4 hour chart, it's oversold, man. It's above the 70%.
Yeah, I mean, but this thing's been oversold.
I mean, not oversold, but overbought.
Overbought,
Sorry.
yeah. All right, come on. Reject. Reject. USD JPY is respecting the trend line.
We got to wait for this 15-minute candle. I mean, I think I'm still trading, but I think I'm out already, to be honest.
Every time you say that, you go and check and you find out that you're still in it. So
No, this time
I'm betting you're good, man. I'm betting you're good.
it's another $600 in the garbage can.
No.
My wife's going to tell me that that was a pair of shoes for her.
This
She doesn't know.
seller, you have a expensive hobby.
Yeah. Well, she doesn't know
shoes.
I bought her some shoes last week.
Yeah, so for her it's shoes, for you it's Forex.
Yeah. I got her a pair of Chanel's. So for Mother's Day.
Nice.
So my kids can present her with something.
The kids are not using their own money to buy or something?
No, my kids don't have money. They have my money. Oh, no. You got it all wrong, dude. I got my kids. I pay their car for their cars. I pay for their insurance. I pay for their health insurance. My daughter, well, I don't pay for the apartment because the apartment belongs to us. So where my daughter lives. So she's fortunate.
Very fortunate.
But I have good kids though. My daughter's a straight A student. She just got Dean's List. She sent me an email yesterday. Dad, I made the Dean's List. 3.8 international business.
Wow. Very nice.
That's
And
awesome.
I really haven't spent a dime on my daughter. Really, she's been she got money like grants and stuff like for her grades because she does.
Yeah, scholarships and all that.
Yeah, so I really don't spend any money on her. And her apartment is free because we own it. I don't have a mortgage on it or anything.
Well, that helps.
So I like free.
Free.
Yeah.
I need to find a girl with a rich dad like you.
That's what I'm talking.
I'm not rich. I'm not rich, man. I'm a working man. I just give. If I can give, I give. If I can't, I can't.
The gold trade is looking even better.
Yeah, I'm up $1,000 on there.
US 30. If it closes bearish like this, the 15-minute candle, we're good.
I know, that's what I'm.
If it closes,
8 minutes.
that'd be nice.
Make it or break it.
That'd be very nice.
But yeah, I mean, if you have, I mean, do you have kids? I don't know. If you had kids, or if you do have kids, I'm sure you take care of them.
I don't. I do not. None that I know of.
Wow.
Profiting enrolled with you, by the way.
Awesome. Might as well look at gold instead of this massacre. So what are we thinking? At the tops again, close it?
Well, for a short one, yeah. But I'm thinking that we're going to start the range once it gets up there. Don't you think? It's Friday.
Yeah.
And it's already made its big move. So
yeah, I'm thinking about closing to the top.
Okay. Good deal. Good deal.
Because last time it made it up there, it had a huge rejection. And that was also like a huge news push up. This is like a regular push up.
Yep.
Even right now, it looks like a good place to close. Really.
I was waiting till I get to the opening of that bearish candle. I was hoping it will reach up there. But I got my my trail going, so I'm not giving back anything. This might be, like you said, this might be a good spot because it's struggling there.
I'm gonna close half.
Yeah, that's a good move. I'm doing the same thing. So I think the big move is done for the day. But I do think US 30 is going to come down from where it's at that resistance.
Oh yeah, me too. High hopes, high hopes.
Like my man Tracy Morgan said, yo, that's crazy.
Crazy.
Ooh, gold. Thank you, gold.
Did it shoot up again?
No,
Oh,
no.
oh yeah,
Actually,
you had two great trades on it today, huh?
actually, it's looking strong. It is getting stronger. It look like it's heading towards the top of that candle.
Yeah,
That's nice.
I still got half open.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man, US 30 is still strong.
A little bit. A little bit.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
I want to take a sell, but I'm gonna wait.
I would wait.
I don't really think it matters on my account, but
I'm telling you, you're good, man. I'm telling you, you're good.
no, I'm not good. Believe me. I'm sure I drew down.
Drew.
It's all right. My next client will get a $600 charge extra.
Oh, poor guy.
Wow.
That's how it works. I just did my client wanted to do a little more work. Well, we had to because we found more damage. So I have to rip out more drywall, more stuff. She said, how much is that going to cost? I said, probably a couple grand. So that's where I will put that $600. So it'll probably be like $2,600, $2,700 change order.
There you go. And you got your next account.
Yes, I do. Until I am successful, I will continue.
Imagine me starting to like bump up the monthly fees so I can, fund myself.
We're at all-time US 30 highs, yes?
Well, it's coming down. It's coming down. While gold is going up, gold up.
Go ahead, go.
Oh my God, I took the wrong exit.
Ah, son of a donkey.
Oh no, it's right. It's right.
Oh, it's perfect. The world is good. Life's good. LG.
2 more minutes. What's US 30 doing?
Trying to wick down.
Fighting the good fight. Oh yeah, that wick held. That wick held, yeah.
Well,
It did
we
hold.
got 2 minutes, man.
That's
It looks like a spinning top now.
Yeah, I used to play tops before. An actual top. You know those spinners?
Yeah.
Woo! Go ahead, go. Just a little bit more and I'll take you out for some more profits.
Take you out to what? Lobster?
Tell me when I can enter, drunk. We need to break that support right there, right?
Yeah. On my one account, I'm already in and 300 in profit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna let this candle close.
Yeah, I got seconds. Under a minute.
Oh yeah, that's gonna close real nice. Real nice.
Now you can't get a candle better than that for bearish.
Unless
But the only problem is it's only a 15-minute candle.
Okay, so it closed that way. It's shooting back up though, for now.
that's the way you want it to. When it opens, first starts to open, that the first half of that opening, the open time is you want to see it go up. Because the second half, it'll flip, especially if there's no wick at the bottom. These are my observations. When there's no wick at the bottom, it'll flip back because there was no range down there. So I'm expecting it to go 50% of that candle wick, and then come back down and turn bearish. Now, if it doesn't do that, hey, sue me.
Well, I added a sell.
Ooh, that was a good sell, man. That was a good sell. Big boy ball right now. I took profit on gold, by the way.
Oh, you closed it? 500, 578. It's still moving, fluctuating.
It's not,
Oh yeah, we see the bear now. I will close another tiny bit.
Bitcoin did exactly as I thought it would do. Jangles. Where's Punisher? This is what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about?
Drunk, did you say one time that you wait for 3 bearish candles before entering?
On daily and swings.
Oh, okay.
Somebody was paying attention.
So it's
I'm
matched
learning.
the last candle now at another high.
Yeah, I don't like that price action.
Not
No
at
bueno.
all. And now it's trying to go above that last candle. This is all just fake outs. It's trying to make you think it's going down, but it's going up. Collect all those Friday last minute SLs.
What do you mean? It's gonna go back and grab all the longs, stop losses?
Yep. All the short stop losses.
All the shorts.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna come down?
Yep. Once they made their money, they're gonna give up.
I gotta go check my funded talent. I think I blew it. Let me go online and see. I forgot my password.
What sort of target do you think that US 30 get back down to? The sort of 34585 or somewhere?
Yeah, the 200. So which is let me see here. 400.
Wow. That's a heck of a way.
Yeah, it is. Or first TP about 3, 4, 500, like you said. Yesterday, Nas did the same thing. It went in the opposite direction hard, and then went back up later. More like in about 2 hours. So this is a new high, huh? Again.
Surprisingly enough.
Where's RT?
Surprisingly enough.
So, yeah, I thought so. Anyway. Anyway.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get into any trades, so I'm sure. Because I'm still in it.
Surprisingly enough.
Yeah, but that's so weird. it hasn't updated. There's no way.
They mess with you. They don't update it, then they tell you, oh yeah, that was old numbers that you were looking at.
Yeah, that's not right. It's impossible. I went into $2,300 drawdown. And my drawdown was 2,700 limit. But this morning I had a $700 drawdown before making some money on US 30 again.
No, then you're fine.
But I'm positive 560 something. I didn't take any losses. Like for the day, I'm positive 563, and all my trades are blue.
It's your current drawdown that's what matters. If it didn't go over 2,700, you're fine. As long your closed trades and your open trades. So closed negative plus your open negative, you add those together.
Okay.
Much math.
So I'm still in it. I still have a little bit of oxygen in the tank.
In the tank, yep. You still have some life. There's still some battery power left in the Energizer Bunny.
The rabbit.
The rabbit. Gold is still looking good, actually.
Wow, look how green all the indices are. I didn't even watch NASDAQ. NASDAQ shot up.
Yeah, I should have taken the buy on NASDAQ instead of freaking sell on US 30.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, man.
SPX 500 shot up pretty good too.
Oh, look at that, man.
Are you drawing a crowd on YouTube?
Not so much.
After the NFP, the crowd, the people that were watching left.
Damn, US 30 is still moving up.
Oh, if it closes above your blue there,
We're toast.
oh, toast.
I think that toast is already starting to burn. It broke the previous candle high and that resistance. Just
Man, I could have held on to my buys. Jesus. I had buys. That's how I made my little $500 move. But I thought we were going to get a retracement. I should have just trailed it. Look at that push.
that is quite the push.
Oh man, today they're going to take profits. At some point today, they're going to drop this.
Listen, it's usually after on Fridays. I play this all the time. Usually after London closes, and after the Wall Street lunch, that the afternoon is going to find its way down.
Yeah, that's what I said, 2 hours from now.
Wall Street has got to eat lunch, man.
Once we get a nice reversal candle, I am very interested in selling this.
Wow, look at that.
We need a magic ball indicator.
We have one.
Oh, Ryan Ram,
Drunken Monkey.
Drunken Monkey.
He's a magic ball.
The ball is
Is the
kind of smoky today. I need to polish it.
You gotta put some polish on it.
Yeah,
That is quite the push. It is pushing hard.
that did the total opposite of what the news did.
And gold is still inching up. Listen, Drunk, you don't use hedging strategies, do you?
I haven't used it in a while now. I have used it, but no.
You don't find them very useful as opposed to just waiting until holding out until it turns around?
It's because I trust my analysis, so I know it's gonna come down. So I just basically sit patiently and wait for it, and it works out. But back in the days with smaller account, I used to hedge a lot because I wanted to get out at break even or something and not wait for it to like do what I wanted to do. Now I have the luxury to wait.
What was your hedging strategy? What was it? How did you employ it?
I mean, so basically you go opposite, right? So you sold, and as I did, I sold here, but it started going very strong up. It came to the 50 here. It didn't reject, kept moving up. So you would do a buy here and then get out here. And then you see this candle, you go, oh, it's coming down now, but it didn't. It's going up. This is not a good pair to like explain this on because it's on a, there's no structure right now. It's just moving up. But that's something like what you would do. So your initial is that it's gonna come down. With hedging, when it starts going the opposite direction, you buy the impulse just to put some more money in your account and then wait for it to come down still.
So you do a 1-for-1 then.
Mm-hmm. The way I used hedging was to get out of a bad trade. But see, like I can't just do a buy on this and close my sales and be like, I'm gonna stay in profit now, and my whatever negative is gonna get wiped out by the buy. The reason I can't do it on this US 30 because this is an all-time high. I don't know how high it's gonna go now. There's nothing for me for it to compare with to where it's gonna turn around from.
Price discovery. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah. This is an
Usually-
all-time high.
Usually the Fibonacci will tell us where it's going to stop.
Yep, the 27 or the 61.
Which it already broke through.
That is crazy. Wow, man, look at that second candle. It's as big as the first one.
I know, and it gave us this spinning top, suggesting it's gonna go down, but it didn't.
Skips
At all.
come in at 4.
Huh?
What'd you
Oh.
say?
Maybe it wasn't for us.
Maybe not.
Oh, there's a President Biden speech today too, in 44 minutes. This is gonna be crazy. It's gonna get crazier. Not the day to trade.
Yeah.
Did not see that. Wow. That speech is gonna make it fluctuate a lot as well.
Yep, no doubt.
Let's see if it's lost its strength yet. Definitely unexpected. Gold is still in profits though. Well, looks like a little bit of bear there.
A little bit of it. Hey, I just answered a comment on my the Bitcoin trade idea I put out with the video. Some knucklehead says retail trading is dead. You seem like you don't make a lot of money. So I put, yeah, that's what he said. So I answered.
Wait.
Some dude named Helmet Boys.
Wait. I always get people like commenting, oh, I did not believe in like BTC until I met whoever the fuck. And he changed my trading around. Check him out at blah, blah, blah.
I get those a couple of times a day. That's funny.
Like if you are really making money, anyone that's like really making money does not have time to go watch somebody else's video and comment on it.
BTC coin right there. Freaking blockhead.
Retail trading is dead. You seem like you don't make a lot of money. You can move on and find someone else who trades institutionally and owns a limbo. Okay, no worries. Says law. Do you notice the trade idea gained hard pips from the entry confirmation candle I drew. But what do I know? I'm just a retail trader. Oh, why you burn him like so? Why you burn him like so?
Little 18, 17-year-olds come on here talking about retail trading is dead. You just learned that from the video you just watched, where somebody throwing money at the screen and posing in front of a rented Lamborghini or something. Get out of here. Go play in the street. I'm not trying to be rude back. Success is the best revenge.
He's not even following any trading channels.
But he knows all about retail trading. Why do you take the time to say something about somebody else's channel or whatever they're doing? What are you doing with your life that you got to take time out and give somebody some of your negative vibes?
Yeah.
You stuck. Okay. Move on.
I had an intro on one of my
Hey, traders.
videos of a Maserati, and someone commented, "Weak intro. Muzzy ain't shit." Okay. Do you own one?
I want to be caught dead in a Maserati. You're right.
All right. So you only drive what? The $500,000 cars?
You know what I'm saying?
$100,000 one is not good enough, I guess.
Yeah, drives his bike to work. Talking about. Okay, what are we gonna do here, US 30? Are you gonna break that previous candle high?
Oh, it died now.
It's 10:23.
Yeah.
I'm dying out.
Starting lunch, yeah, it's gonna come down. I think I'll probably call it here and then keep you guys updated in the group.
Bueno.
Pretty much we'll be posting some profits later from this US 30.
I want to see some profits because you're gonna post some from gold, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. Yeah, gold is still moving up. I still have a small position. I closed a little bit. So I had a one lot and then I have 0.25 lot left.
I have every intention on getting back in this, getting back in gold come next week because I want to continue this
Streak?
No, not the streak, but to I believe that gold will go higher according to my analysis.
Yeah, and I've been saying that since the beginning. With metal, demand for metal is higher, so COVID is dying and houses are being built and everything else. So it's all gonna move up from here on.
Oh well, we're moving on up.
So it's trying to move down now. What we got? A damn speech that I did not see, or I would not have gotten into this thing. 35 minutes from now, Biden's speech.
That's going to affect things.
Yep.
I'm glad I said before lunch, before Wall Street lunch.
So they can sit there with their caviar and watch it on TV.
You know how they do it? Cocktails and whatnot.
Well, it's shooting down now. So let's see if it matches this candle at least.
Okay.
It might shoot down before the news and then move back up, with the news. See how that works out.
Somebody had a trade was thinking about a trade yesterday. Who was it? It was Train. She was going to take New Zealand CAD. She wanted to go long with it. And I told her that I was
You were gonna hold off.
no, I was bearish, and I put up some markups.
Ooh. If she did take it, she has passed her FTMO.
No. See, where she took it is before look into the peaks to the left. No, I'm sorry. Look at the long spike. Now look to the left. The immediately left. No, just down the previous high, the most recent. Yeah, she wanted to go in on the second one, like just before it peaked. It went up maybe about 15 pips, and then it came down.
Oh, so she might be out already.
Oh, listen, that went way past her stop loss.
Yeah, but if she was in it,
If she was in it from down there, yeah. But that was
yeah.
yesterday, earlier, about 7:30 last night. So I don't know what time that's your time, or where it is on that chart. That's a 15-minute chart. Yeah, that's a 15-minute chart. Yeah. I'm just glad to have. Hopefully, she saved herself some heartache on it.
There goes US 30. Come on.
It's coming. What disturbed me more this week was looking at the trades that I posted, the trades that I posted that I forgot about and didn't follow up on. I posted them.
Igna was saying the same thing earlier about you, like that he hopes that you're actually taking those trades you're putting out.
I specifically say I wasn't in this one. I wish I was, because I forgot about it. I had it marked up. The ones that I'm in, I'm in.
But at least you know that your analysis is great.
Yeah, I can take that as a takeaway. But if I had a bigger account, I can't take them all. I see plenty of setups. I can't take them all.
Maybe Helmet Boy is right then.
Oh man. Bells.
Helmet Boy. I'm sure he's gonna find mine and say something on there too.
I don't want to be in 7 and 8 different trades at the same time. That's drunken monkey territory. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, there's a lot that I don't always take either. There's opportunities everywhere. I might point it out. Like there's times where just in the Zoom, I'll be like, this looks like a buy. I won't buy it because I'm already in like 5 other trades, but I'll point it out.
Yeah, there's that. You know what I mean? But I personally hate marking up something and say, yeah, that's going to be a good one, and then I just don't follow up. I forget about it. Then I come back to that through a scan. I'll come back to that markup and I'll go, oh no, I forgot about this one. I got to put more alerts. I got to be better with my alerts. Sometimes I hear the alert and I go, that's something else. That's not good. That's not good. Bad habit.
There's your new candle going bull.
See how it starts out?
Yeah.
No wick on the bottom. It's going green as soon as it opens. Now I'm expecting it to flip.
Which you said earlier. With this last big ass candle.
It didn't flip. It still has no wick at the bottom. It never flipped.
Nope. But
Oh.
it's due. It's due.
Sometimes either that's an indication of strong, in this case, bullishness, or we'll get the flip down. But it has to be at support or resistance. It has to be.
Now this one, we're gonna see where it's going. It's 10:31. Half an hour till Biden. Wall Street is about to go to lunch. Is it going to make it all the way down? We'd like to see it. Unreliable 15-minute candles.
All right, let's do the 1 minute then.
Those are worse.
Oh man, 30 seconds.
I go to 15-minute. I will go down to 15-minute. You know, because I'm trying to do more swings. I'll go down to 15-minute because it's borderline for confirmations. 30-minute and up are best. The higher the candle, the stronger the candle. The higher time frame, the stronger the confirmation.
If someone had bought US 30 in February and just let it sit, even if it was just a 0.01 lot.
That's a COVID time, yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's when COVID started dying off. Good news started. This is monthly. So
If you was to hold that, you'd be rich.
I meant February of 2020.
Uh-huh.
This is monthly. So that's in a year, man, you'd be retired.
Yeah, retired. Yeah.
All right, looking good. Only thing about US 30 is since it takes so much margin and all that, you gotta be able to hold it if it spikes this way. If you can't, you're gonna be taking a big loss.
I know all about it. Got burned myself on this so many times.
Well, I think I'm gonna end it here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll monitor your thing. RT, I'll send you a link in about 15 minutes. You guys have a good weekend.
Be good. Enjoy yourselves. I'll see you next week.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
Take care.
I'll put up some crypto trades for you.
Yeah, no, thanks for that. Swing only trades, thank you. I'm interested. And gold. You seem to be on fire with gold at the moment.
Yeah, gold. And RT's making a statement of his own on gold as well.
Good. Well,
So,
I'm following gold a lot. I should have taken that one earlier, but I missed out. My loss. Next one.
all right. There's always chances. I did 2 gold trades this week, I think, and 3 gold trades last week. Everyone hit, so we'll have
Good.
more.
More to come. Have a good weekend.
Yes, sir.
good one.
Take care. Take care, guys.
All right.